Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time I haven't recorded a video. So today I'm recording another video. Today's recipe is breakfast egg muffins. The ingredients for this recipe are green onions, black pepper, salt, tomato, any type of cheese, bell pepper, carrots, 3 eggs. Time to whisk the eggs until they get fluffy. I will put all the ingredients in the eggs now. I already put some cooking oil on the tray. I'm going to put the eggs on the tray now. So I put the eggs inside of the tray. I'm going to put this in the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. I'll see you after 5 minutes. The muffins are done. They look very good. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.